You're welcome.
For good luck, they said
For
for
good
good
luck.
luck.
But
Yeah, morning good luck.
what she's doing with your hair?
She's braiding my hair.
All right.
Yeah, make your wife beautiful.
Beautiful. It's morning.
Beautiful.
Good morning, world. How you doing? I hope so. You're keeping well. Today we are at the front of the Matahari in Kuta Square.
So we are planning to get a morning walk in Kuta today. We just wanna see how is Kuta in the morning. I know that it has been 2 years. You know, like when the normal time, long time ago, at the morning, we already saw hustle and bustle life. But today, let's see how it is in the morning time.
So the Kuta Square, if I'm not mistaken, was built in 1980s. So, well, it's already 40 years old, and few things could be improved here, as Winnie said. That's why wonder if anyone in the future gonna start refurbishing this and make Kuta alive again, I could say. Alive again, right, honey?
Yeah, when we see this building, let's say, the location is very prime, right?
Very
close
prime.
by the airport and close by the beach. And it's just like in Sanur, you know, like prime location as well. But if you see that the building, actually that they have a concrete building, right? But if, I don't know, this is my thought only, my personal thought. If probably government start thinking, look at this kind of building. This is actually the backstage, the backside of the Matahari Kuta Square. If maybe the government just thinking to refurbish, to make it more nice. So this is already, you know, like
Very old.
very old, and they
abandoned.
make it more nice, and they can make it like the center of, you know, like oleh-oleh or center of the
or
business.
tourism, whatever, right?
So they don't need to change the land, the rice field land into the concrete building. And look at this, guys.
This is the
Careful,
Matahari
careful,
Mall.
honey.
What?
You step on the dogs.
Oh shit. I step on the dog shit. That's what I'm talking about. That's not good. Anyway, back to the topic. This is supposed to be shops everywhere, and this is the actually backside of the Matahari Mall. What many of you are also interested about, I think this was the exit area from the parking, loading bay. But looks very bad actually here, isn't it?
Yeah, I remember when I was like teenagers, you know, when the Kuta Square was so hype. Honey, this is like the ghost haunted building though.
Yeah, very abandoned and looks very, very sad. This is like, check this out, how everything looks over here. I mean, this is like a center of Kuta, I could say. There is like a backstage of the Nike or whatever, Taylor. This is like a really small gang. It's even scary to walk here. And that was the Matahari, or actually that's what left from Matahari in Kuta Square area.
And I just remember when I was teenager, you know, like this Kuta Square used to be a hype place, like beach walk, like Discovery shopping mall. And this was a very hype place among the tourists. I know that our viewers also the what is it called? The old timers. I mean, like if you come to Bali for 35 times, you used to come to Bali like for quite such long time. I know that this place may be the iconic place in 1990s, 1980s. But I just thinking this is my personally thought. Yeah, guys, you can add the comments, you can give the comments, or you can give your personal thought as well. Why don't you know, like the government just refurbish this place and make it more nice as the trade center? And let's explore. You see this one,
The entrance to
the entrance,
Matahari.
and down there is the parking gate.
Used to be, actually. Everything in this area is extremely deserted, guys. Actually, this is the entrance to Matahari, but check this out. This is supposed to be the center of the anything, shopping, many businesses around. But here is like abandoned city right now. I mean, nobody is here. This is only one-way road, so sometimes the cars passing by. But after that, that's it. Oh, one guy is sitting here waiting for something. But check this out, this complex of buildings, of shops, I think, with the abandoned parking area. Everything is actually abandoned here. Didn't vlog here too much previously, but I was passing around and I was just always wonder, look at this. This was something nice here long time ago.
This one is hotel, 3-star hotel, I think.
Looks nice.
I'm
Or
not
used to
sure
be
whether
nice.
this is still operated or not.
Yeah, pretty sad. It's time for refurbishment, definitely, isn't it?
Yeah, so
I
this
hope
is
so.
called Jalan Tegalwangi. It's basically just like the shortcut, like a Canggu shortcut. But this one is the Kuta shortcut to go to the inside of the Kuta Legian, the party places, and the shortcut to the beach.
Hold on, the lady is behind us. Anyway, we moved to the beach area right now in Kuta Beach. We're gonna show you a little bit how does it look like. Morning walk, continuation of our morning walk. Anyway, seems like it's very clean. I mean, they cleaned the beach at morning already here today. Yes, honey? What do you think?
Nice. So
Yeah,
nice morning
okay.
walk.
We are looking for some coconut, something somewhere. Kuta Beach vibe, little bit. Check this out. Beautiful Mount Batu Karu over there. Well, facing Mortabanan, so it's Batu Karu. And there are people cleaning the beach. I mean, I think they cleaned somewhere because it's super clean today. And they have some people also here doing some activities, playing some sort of Indonesian game. Not really sure what they are doing. But check this out, how Kuta Beach is so beautiful at morning today. Unbelievable, isn't it? And beautiful weather. There is summer, the Discovery Mall. Sayang is talking with the boys on the beach. Very nice, beautiful, beautiful vibes. Little bit of busy morning hustle. Here is the Grand Inn Hotel in Kuta Beach. As you see, quite many tourists already here. I mean, still actually, not already, but still. Well, the Eski boys here, maybe we're gonna have some coconut somewhere. But meanwhile, yeah, it's quite clean beach. Oh, so many people driving actually around, have to be very careful. Yo, what's up? How you doing, my brother? All good?
All good, brother. All good. All good.
Where are the tourists? I don't know. He just asked me like that. Where are the tourists? I don't know. No tourists. All right. How you doing, my friend? All good?
Yeah, all good.
What are you doing, sir?
Don't worry,
Doing
my
my
quiet in Bali. You wife helping the people.
Oh yeah. That's good. You're welcome.
Helping. I hope you're healthy.
You're welcome.
For good luck, they say
For
for
good
good
luck.
luck.
But
Yeah,
what she's
morning good luck.
what she's doing with your hair? Lah?
She's making braiding my
All
hair.
right. All right.
Yeah, make your wife beautiful.
Beautiful. It's morning.
Yeah, Bali.
Happy New Year, Nikki. Yeah. Bye bye.
Only you tourists in Bali.
Okay. I wish you good luck. I hope so. You're gonna sell all today. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, sayang.
I just laughing all the time.
I promise as I gonna come back. I always promise. See, I promise I gonna bring my wife and see. She, I don't even know. She took like already this tree, this. See. But I promise. I always promise. Okay.
Good wife, good husband, good heart.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, I'm very nice with the
Always nice.
I tell every country in the talking in the phone.
Exactly. You said like that. That's the lady. All right. So this is the payment time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She have a lot of product. They do the service, so I need to pay her, each of them like 2. I mean like this is for your stuff. Yeah. Thank you. As I promise. As I promise. Okay. This is for them.
I'm for her.
Yeah. And this is the for another one. Yeah.
Yeah,
like,
this one,
50 per person,
this
yeah?
one,
You
this
have to share. I don't
one,
know
this
how they're gonna do it.
one. Yeah, this one, yeah. Ja dua. Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome. Happy New Year, okay?
Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Pleasure to make the business.
Yeah.
Helping the people in Bali. You
Always.
very honest. Look.
Ja dua, Bu Na.
Always.
Alright guys, so this is how they make up me in the morning.
Honey, I will show you your hair. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. We make
And
few ladies
then-
happy for Happy New Year.
Good luck for the New Year's. And then whenever we finish and we talk together, and you know the lady is saying, Ibu, if the Bali like this until the end of the year, and our life is depends on, you know, international tourists. And I asked, how about domestic tourists? They are not willing to spend money. You know, they just come to the beach and enjoy the beach, and that's it.
Yeah.
I trying even, you know, like sell my service as cheap as I can, but they don't really interested. So yeah, we come here just, you know, like sharing a good luck. We hope that good luck also come to them and everyone happy.
Yeah, exactly. Meanwhile, yeah, we make this vlog a little bit longer than we expect. I hope so you enjoyed. We little show you the street and the ladies and everything.
Yeah.
It's so many actually, but we cannot make everyone happy also, right? Anyway, thank you so much and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.
Bye.